Hi, everyone. Hi, almost Thanksgiving, and hi, almost happy holidays, everyone. It's very cold outside today, so I'm going to do this video from indoors. Yes, this is an extreme close-up. I'm not a fan of extreme close-up, just like most women are not fan of extreme close-ups. But if you want to do an extreme close-up, be as cute as Rockefeller. Yes, seriously, if you don't know who Rockefeller is, go hide in a tree somewhere. No, just kidding. Yes, I hope you like this video. It made you laugh for a few seconds. And if you like, learning new film terms, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.